Okay, hi everybody, happy quarantine. There's just two things I wanted to show you on WaterGEMS for the project maps that you're going to be turning in pretty soon. The first thing has to do with the sizes of symbols and text. So let's say for instance that you've started to draw a network map and the symbols for the reservoir and the junctions are too small. And so if you want to change those, what you can do is go here instead of the standard home button. If you go to Tools, More, and then the Options, under the Drawing tab, there's this multiplier. And so what we're going to want to do is change the multiplier. Let's start with the symbol sizes. Right now they're basically invisible relative to the size of the pipes and so on. So let's just see what a 10 times multiplier would do. Alright, that's pretty good. Now we can see the size of the symbols, and the same thing holds true if you want to change the annotations, which is those the text identifiers that you're supposed to be adding to your map. And so if we go here into drawing, I could 10 times out the annotations as well, and we'll take a look at what that does for us. It's kind of small. Relative to the size of things, I would want to maybe make it a little bit bigger. So let's see how 15 looks for both of those. 15 and 15. Okay. Now that's visible. We'd maybe want to move the annotations, offset them a little bit. And of course, you've been given the instructions on the sorts of things you're supposed to annotate, like the pressure at the junctions, the withdrawals at the junctions, flow through the pipe, diameter of the pipe, all that sort of thing. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you, is how to change the size of the symbols and the annotations. The other thing I wanted to mention is that when you do turn in those maps, disable the background layer. Like when you have your network map with the annotations and the symbols, it's going to be a little bit busy if you also have that image that I've provided you in the background. It doesn't add any value to the maps that I need to see, so turn those off when you create your PDF files. Alright, that's it. Hope everything's going well. If you have questions on the project, go ahead and send me an email. I'll talk to you later.